Now to your forecast. I tried to take video of the moon because it looks so cinematic.
Yeah, it's awesome.
But yeah, I didn't capture it well.
You know, when it's near the horizon, it's called like the moon illusion. It makes it look so much bigger.
Yes.
It's the same size there as it is above your head, but it just looks bigger there because you got other objects to kind of relate it to. So
pretty impressive.
It's kind of a cool illusion. It's beautiful out there tonight. A little bit of fog, though, beginning to form. And I think that'll be a big story tomorrow morning. If you're an early riser, and I'm talking around sunrise, we might have some really thick fog. But for right now, mostly clear skies. We're radiating a little bit of heat we got today, and temperatures are cooling off in some neighborhoods quicker than others. I mean, it's 71, urban heat island, you know, all that concrete and steel retains the heat much longer here. But you see other areas already in the 60s out there. Dew points pretty close to 60 as well, and that's crucial because when the air temperature falls down to the dew point, that's when we start to see some fog forming. Notice over in Salisbury, 7-mile visibility, but Morganton, 0.3 of a mile. So we're starting to see some of that fog develop, and overnight into the early morning hours, right around sunrise. Look at that. Thick enough that we have less than a half-mile visibility in almost every location. So that's what I mean. It's going to be really soupy early on, but by mid-morning, sun comes up, mixes the atmosphere up, and will dry things out fairly quickly. So overnight, temperatures likely going to fall down just below 60, maybe 60, 61 in some areas, upper 50s. The clouds will be low clouds during the morning hours. But then, excuse me, tomorrow afternoon, plenty of sunshine after the clouds get out of here. We'll be back in the low 80s, so a nice warm up. High pressure is our friend. It's going to dominate the weather, not only for this weekend, but for most of next week. You're going to be lucky to find even a cloud in the sky at times after the morning hours. It'll all be about morning fog and then clear in the afternoon. We could use some rain. New York got clobbered. All-time daily rainfall record up there at LaGuardia. Just around 8 inches of rain. No rain at all here in the Carolinas for at least another, I'd say, 6 days. Next Friday, we might have a chance. Saturday, Sunday, maybe another chance. And then cooler air moves in. And that's a legit cold front next week. In fact, you'll see the cold front getting here in a minute. But look at, there's a rain chance. It's 20-30% at best next weekend. Look at the heat. All this heat over the eastern part of the country this weekend and early next week. But here comes that cold front. As it gets closer and closer to us, starts moving down here. By the time we get into next weekend, we could see lows in the 30s and 40s by Sunday into Monday. Out in the tropics, quick look at our two tropical systems, Philippe and Rina, just kind of sitting out there, not doing much right now. We'll keep an eye on them, but they're going to stay away from the United States. Enjoy your weekend. Beautiful weather, near 80 both days. Could nose into the low 80s in a few spots. Mostly sunny skies and no rain. Your Guy Roofing 7-day forecast. A lot of 80s here. Low 80, very popular number through the next 7 days. 79's our average high. By next weekend, maybe a chance of a pop-up shower here and there, but much cooler weather by the end of next weekend.
All right, that sounds great. Thank you, Brad.